The original gonna be about another Black & Decker product. So here it goes. It's the Black & Decker. I made coffee this morning. Some sugar. Yeah, nice thermos. Hope you guys coffee hot in this crap. Still fucking steaming. Nice coffee basket. He's never filtered. You got nice. As you can see there. You use 3 cups of coffee. You filter the rest with water. It comes out. You got a select starter and you got these coffee. It's like videos of Posh.